G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D TV. I'm KC, and today's video, it's our entry into the small scale group kit build by BG's Model Workshop, Brian, and also the Scale Model Car Guy channel, Shawn. So we're a bit late, but you got to the end of the month, and this isn't a really big job at all. But firstly, I'd like to say a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers, and also our old faithful subscribers, and all of our viewers, wherever you are in the world today. We hope you're doing okay. Alrighty, so let's get organised. We've got this Dodge Charger Daytona, and we'll get him out of the box. Now this was released in 1999, so there's the screens and everything else there. And I'll put a picture up on the top left hand corner there of all of the parts, because it's got all the bucket seats, it's got all the interior, the base, the dash and all that sort of stuff there, and I'll do a bit of detailing on that. It's got the chrome, and it has two sets of wheels, which is a good thing. So it looks like it's got the mags for the picture of the car, and it's also got all the screws, the axles, and also it looks like it's got some dashboard decals and that sort of stuff, and also the rear wing. Now there's not a lot of painting in this, near the rubber boots, and the paint on it isn't really that shiny. So getting out of the packet, I'll just chop him out of there in a second. And what I will do is I'm going to put 2K clear over the top of this, because if you have a look, you see what I mean by like the paint on it isn't very shiny. It's not bad, but once I put a coat of 2K clear on there, it'll really pop. So yeah, so that's our entry there. Sorry it's a bit late, but like it's not due till the end of the month of February. So I told Shawn last year that I was going to join him, and of course we had a few health issues last year with CC and myself, so we're going to join and jump in with this Daytona and get him together. I was going to actually strip it back and paint it green, but my paint hasn't turned up, so I'll just leave it blue, and there's some photos going up there on the screen, and we will get organised, and when we do the next video it'll be all done and finished and completed. So we'll get that one out of the way, and we also have a lot of other stuff coming up. There's another video coming out, the mail call from PB's Retro Restoration, and we've got an Elvira figurine that we're going to do, plus updates on all my other models that I'm way behind in, of course, of what happened last year, as a lot of you know. And we'd also like to take the opportunity to thank all of you guys that stayed in contact with us, and also stayed subscribed to us, and also sent personal emails and messages and everything to us, asking how we were and all of that, and we are extremely grateful for all of that. So and also got another video to be coming out, is PB's Corvette build, so that'll be another video there. And also there we've got shout outs today in the channel there for Tim at Throttle Power for sending me over a bunch of these stickers. So I appreciate that there. I'll put a link in the description down below, and he's up on the screen, and you can pop over and check out Tim's channel. He's got an awesome channel over there. He's got real cars, drag cars, car shows, model shows, and he's also an awesome model builder, so be sure to go and check him out. And we also got a build that'll be coming out with Copperhead Kustoms. I'll put the logo up there and the link in the description below. You can go and check him out. He's currently building a Bedford rat rod, and we will be building a die-cast version of his rat rod, so there'll be a video coming out in a few different parts for that one there. And also a shout out to Montana Custom Classics, up on the screen, the link down below. That's Derick's channel. He's a young chap, well, he's young to me, he's in his 30s, and he's one hell of a customizer, car builder, so be sure to check all of those guys out. And like we said, thank you very much for your support. We really do appreciate it. And the next time you see this Charger, she'll all be built and done. Alright, so thanks again for watching, and we do appreciate it. We'd love you to like, share, subscribe. Take care and look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.